Oh my goodness, I'm in Paris right now and I've been practicing my French. How did I just do? But no, I just really wanted to film a little get ready with me when I was going to the airport. I did my hair, look at it, it's swinging. I did my makeup and I, show you guys my outfit. If you like this video or these kind of videos, please be sure you give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. Oh, okay, let me take off this, grandma scarf that I have on and let me get to this hair part of the video. So, this here is from Premier Lace Wigs. I'm going to leave all the links to everything you can get down in the description box, but it's super long and luscious. Look at how luscious it looks. I'm just combing it because I love it. And it's a 360 lace wig, so it's all around my head. And I basically, yeah, my earring came out a little bit. I basically, right from the box, it already just looks so amazing. Like, look at it. And it's, yeah, 22 inches, like I said, so this is where it reaches on my waist, just a little bit past my waist. So now I'm about to start tweezing it because it needs to be tweezed, because right now you can see it doesn't have anywhere that is the part. But to get that going, I'm going to use my wrap lotion from Lotta Body just to put the flyaways down, because it's just going to have flyaways. That's just how life is. So alright, I'm gonna what am I doing right there? Oh my gosh, I was just tweezing it. I don't know why I didn't know what I was doing. Okay, then I'm cutting off the lace, and it's a bit hard, honestly. I thought it would be easier, but because it's 360 all over, I just had to go all the way around the head, and I had a few jagged edges that I had to fix later on, but it worked out. And then I'm going with my Fenty Beauty just to color the lace a little bit and make it a little bit more my color before I put it back on my head. So now I have it back on my head, and I didn't really want to put an elastic band for the airport, but right when I got to Paris, I just sewed on an elastic band, which came with the box. So make sure you sew an elastic band if you're not going to the airport. But I just really was like rushing. I don't look like I'm rushing here, but I was rushing because my flight was in, I think, 2 hours, and I was super late because you're supposed to get, if you're doing international, you're supposed to get there 3 hours. And what did I do? I got there almost before they shut the gate. I know. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just straightening with my straightener from, I think it's a Remington straightener, I believe. And then I'm just putting some more Fenty in the, what is this? The part, just so that it looks more natural. And yeah, alright, that's it. That's it. That's it. So I just wanted to show you, this is my outfit that I wore. I didn't get to record anything, but it will be linked in the description box. Don't you worry. You guys seem to love it on my Instagram, and I enjoyed all the love. Thank you so much. Alright guys, I'm done with my get ready with me. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, please. I would love to know. And then also make sure you're following me on all my social media. I have Instagram, where I'm going to be showing you my little Paris and London adventures, so make sure you check me out on there as well. Alright, so I'm going to go now. Everything that you may want to see will be in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. Also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!